Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize drone insurance with Avion step by step clearly. Start by understanding the specific insurance needs for your drone operations. Research the types of drone insurance available in your area. Gather information about your drone, including its make, model, and intended use. Identify potential risks associated with your drone operations. Contact Avion to discuss their available insurance options for drone pilots. Ask about coverage types, including liability, property damage, and personal injury. Request a detailed quote based on your specific needs and usage. Review the policy terms and conditions carefully before proceeding. Ensure that the coverage amounts align with your operational requirements. Consider any additional coverage options Avion may offer, such as equipment loss or theft. Submit any required documentation to finalize your insurance application. Once approved, take note of your policy number and coverage details. Keep a copy of your insurance certificate in an easily accessible place. Regularly review your policy to ensure it remains adequate as your operations evolve. Stay informed about any changes in aviation regulations that may affect your drone insurance. Maintain open communication with Avion for updates or policy changes. Consider training or certification programs to further reduce your risk profile. By following these steps, you can effectively optimize your drone insurance with Avion. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.